Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
This is the Weather Extreme Video, the morning edition for Wednesday, the 27th of February. I'm James Spann. The weather stays mild through Saturday. We'll have some rain at times along the way. Sunday looks fairly wet. Next week looks pretty cold. Let's go in and check it out this morning. There's the upper look across the country. It's a zonal flow from west to east. And temperatures are pretty mild to start the day. Still colder back in northwest Alabama, some 40s there. Haleyville, 45. Birmingham, 55. Montgomery at 60. Many spots will see 70s today, very mild. Around the nation, though, pretty cold up north. And some of that cold air is going to break away, and we'll feel that next week. In fact, we're expecting freezing temperatures in here by Tuesday and Wednesday morning. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Winter weather advisories in a broad zone from Oklahoma City up to the Great Lakes. Winter storm warnings for parts of the northwest United States. And again, for our state, we have many river flood warnings still in effect. Here's the severe weather outlook today and tonight. No severe storms expected. Somebody might hear some thunder, but I think the bulk of the day today for where we are should be dry. Now, tomorrow there is a risk of severe storms, a marginal risk around the Gulf Coast region. For Alabama, that marginal risk is basically south of US 80. And on day 3, which is Friday, we have a marginal risk of severe storms south of the line from near Jackson to Troy to Eufaula. Precipitation for the next 7 days. Again, the Sierra Nevada mountains in California just slammed with heavy snow. And for us, rain amounts have ticked up a little bit. Rain amounts here suggested to be between 2 and 3 inches between now and Wednesday morning of next week. And we'll have multiple rounds of showers in coming days. And the weekend forecast is still a bit muddy, as you'll see. Let's take a look at modeling here. This is the GFS, the 06C run at noon today. There's the zonal flow. And again, the day should be dry, except for the Gulf Coast. There certainly could be some showers and storms down south. Now, tomorrow, we'll have a good round of showers during the day. I don't think it rains all day. Probably the most widespread rain during the morning, but there could be some lingering showers tomorrow afternoon. Still mild, high should be in the 60s. Now, this is Friday. The day looks fairly dry here on the GFS, but we still are going to mention a chance of showers, scattered showers. Other runs are showing a deeper moisture pool, but again, nothing too widespread. And the high should be in the 60s on Friday. Now, the weekend. Let's see if we can get any clarity here. This is the GFS. We have an Arctic front coming down through Missouri. Moisture levels increasing, and no doubt we'll have a chance of showers on Saturday, but I don't think it rains the whole day. Maybe not a total washout if you got something planned outdoors, but clearly a chance of showers. And then Sunday looks pretty wet. The GFS a few days ago showed nothing. Well, now it's looking like the European. It's got a big rain through here with a cold front coming in. And this would suggest a chance of snow north of the state in parts of northern Tennessee, Kentucky, North Arkansas, Missouri. And if this is right, temperatures could fall on Sunday. And then Sunday night, it's all out of here as the cold air takes over. But you know what we got to do? Let's look at the European. This is Saturday, and again, it doesn't look that wet. Again, we'll mention showers on Saturday, but nothing too widespread. But look at Sunday here. It looks wet, and the European is warmer. It's got the snow instead of being over Kentucky, way up north over Illinois and Indiana. And look at this. The instability values really ramp up on Sunday with a deepening surface low that's northwest of Nashville. And if this verifies, this could be a setup for strong, maybe severe storms. So you got the GFS showing a cold rain, the European showing a warm day with showers and strong storms. So again, pure model madness. But again, typically in this medium range, the European performs better. So we'll bring temperatures up on Sunday and mention a chance of thunderstorms at this point. We'll hold off on mentioning any severe weather opportunity, but it's certainly something to watch. And again, we'll go to Monday. Cold and dry. Highs in the 40s. Let's go to Tuesday of next week. Cold and dry. We start the day down in the low 20s, the high in the 40s. And a week from today, Wednesday the 6th, big trough on the East Coast, and we're still cold and dry. And some of the colder pockets Wednesday morning could see teens over North Alabama. These are the anomalies, temperature anomalies on Wednesday. Look at those shades of purple. That's over 20 degrees below average for the East for March. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday the 8th, trough in the western states. And if this is right, we're warmer. And that would suggest a chance of showers out there toward the end of next week. Here are the numbers coming off the European ensemble. Yeah, look at the drop after Sunday. Highs in the 40s. In fact, this is only showing 39 for Birmingham on Wednesday. Probably a bit too cold, but no doubt a very significant freeze for several mornings next week. Be ready for that. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.